Starting the weekend off strong with pickleball. Jacob is working a half day today on this beautiful day. It's sunny and 81.
Beautiful out.
Woo! And by the way, we won in pickleball.
Time to hit the pool. There's only one way to properly get in a pool.
Hey, I'll give it a shot. Welcome to my crib.
What do we got for lunch today?
Starbucks, vanilla sweet cream, cold brew, heavy ice. Because they didn't put light in.
What size?
Trenta.
Didn't even know that was a thing until like a week ago.
Homemade sourdough rolls with onion seasoning on top with strawberry jelly and watermelon. Watermelon.
Where's the protein?
The cream.
Off to our favorite spot. Cute. On our morning walk, just about to head out boating, but got to get our steps in first.
We're going boating. Just got here.
Happy Sunday, heading to Hoopfest day 2, going to watch my cousin-in-law play.